Hello my little kids. How are you all? Yes, you are fine, right? See, in my previous video, I have taught you 3 questions, right? What is the name of your school? How are you? And in which class do you read? So, you have to revise these 3 questions also, okay? You have to revise these 3 questions also. So, now before asking 3 questions, let me again introduce myself. See, I am your teacher. Who I am? I am your teacher, Indira ma'am. And you know, you all are studying very well. I have seen your video. You are doing great. And even parents are supporting them, motivating them. So, we are really thankful to all the parents. And thank you so much for sending such a nice video of your kids. I know this is the current situation. We are not able to have our class. But still then, our parents, they are really a very supportive parents. In this current situation, still they are helping your kids to study at home. So, I am really thankful to all the parents for making them learn through our video. Okay, now see, today I am again back with the writing work which you have to write this one in your notebook. Okay, see, now before starting this one, we'll do one rhymes. Okay, we'll do one rhymes. Okay, we'll do one rhymes. Okay, now hands up, hands down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Say roll, 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 rolly, 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 up, down, clap, clap, up, down. Okay, now let's sing our rhymes. Okay, we'll revise that rhymes. Okay, previous rhymes we'll revise. Okay, now let's start. Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. You have to repeat after me. Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Okay. Now again Johnny, Johnny. Johnny, Johnny. Yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no Papa. Telling lie, no Papa. Open your mouth. Ha, ha, ha. Thank you. Again repeat. Johnny, Johnny. Yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no Papa. Telling lie, no Papa. Open your mouth. Ha, ha, ha. Thank you. Okay, let's sing Twinkle, Twinkle, okay? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Thank you. Okay, so please revise these 3 rhymes. Johnny, Johnny, early to bed and twinkle, twinkle. Okay, now again I am going to ask you 3 questions. Okay, what is the name of your school? What is the name of your school? Say, my school name is Gokul Das Public School. What is the name of your school? Gokul Das Public School. What is the name of your school? Gokul Das Public School. What is the name of your school? which class do you study? In which class do you study? I study in class nursery. In which class do you study? I study in class nursery. Okay? In which class do you study? I study in class nursery. Okay? And how are you? How are you? I am fine, thank you. How are you? Say, I am fine, thank you. See, you have to revise this 3 questions. What is the name of your school? In which class do you read? And how are you? Okay? Okay, now see, now again I am back with a new topic, okay? New thing which you have to write in your notebook for practice, okay? This is nothing, just need to circle, okay? No writing now. First, you have to identify the letters and pictures, okay? No writing now. No, don't write A, B, C, D now, okay? First, you just have to identify the pictures and letters, okay? Only you will see and you will circle it. You don't have to write now, okay? No pressure for writing, okay? Your ma'am will teach you slowly, okay? First, just you have to focus in identifying letters and pictures. No writing, okay? No writing. Your ma'am will teach you slowly. Before writing letter, first ma'am will teach you line concept, okay? Then only you will start writing letter, okay? Then only you will start writing letter. First, only just do circling, just do matching, okay? No more writing pressure, okay? Okay, just use your mind, okay, to identify letters and pictures, okay? Now see, now, okay, this is letter, right? A, D, S, P, these all are called letters, okay? And see, flower, apple, cat and ice cream, aeroplane. These are called pictures. These are called letters. Flower, apple, cat and ice cream and aeroplane are called pictures. Okay? See. These are called pictures and these are called letters. Okay? See. Okay, now see, we are studying which subject now? Which subject is this? English. Which subject is this? English subject. See, whenever we are studying letter means which subject? English subject. Okay, which subject? English subject. See, whenever we are studying letters, this means which subject? This is math subject. 1, 2, 3. No, ma'am. Which subject? This is English subject. Okay. Now see here. See, circle the objects start with letter D. Okay. Circle the object which see, circle the object which start with letter A. Okay? Circle the object. You have to circle the picture which start with letter A. Okay? A for flower? These are called object. Circle the object which start with letter A. Okay, you have to circle the object. We have to circle the picture which start with letter A. Okay, now see here. A for flower. Yes, A for flower. No ma'am. A for flower. No ma'am. A for cat. No ma'am. A for ice cream. No ma'am. Then what? A for apple. A for apple. A for apple. So you will circle apple. A for apple. A for apple. Okay. Now see. Now A for ice cream. No ma'am. A for flower. A for flower. No ma'am. A for cat. No ma'am. A for ant. A for ant. Yes. A for ant. Yes. Right. So you have to make it circle. Okay. Okay. You have to circle the picture which start for letter A. A for apple. So you have circle apple. A for ant. So you have circle ant. Now A for ice cream. No ma'am. A for flower. No ma'am. A for cat. No ma'am. A for aeroplane. Yes ma'am. A for aeroplane. Yes ma'am. Then you will circle the aeroplane. See, A for aeroplane. Then circle aeroplane. Okay. See, A for apple. A for apple. A for ant. A for aeroplane. So this one you have to write in your notebook. Okay. This one you have to write in your notebook for practice. Okay. See, circle the object which start with letter A. A for apple. So circle apple. A for ant. So circle ant. A for aeroplane. So circle aeroplane. Okay. Now see here. Do you know which letter is this? Sorry. Make a standing line and make a half curve. Which letter is this? D. Which letter is this? D. D for dog. Bow, 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 bow. D for dog. Bow, 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 bow. Okay. Which letter is this? This is D. 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 Okay. So here circle letter D. You have to find where is letter D. Okay. You have to identify letter D. This is letter D? No. You have to search letter D. See, so many letters are there. You have to search letter D and you will circle it. You will circle it. Okay. See, circle letter D. Only you will circle letter D. This is D. You will circle. Okay. Now see, I told you now, whenever your ma'am is teaching, you have to focus. Focus. Which one is letter D? Which one is letter A? That is called identify. Okay. No pressure for writing. You have to use your mind. You have to use your brain for identifying letter and picture. Okay. You are too small baby, right? So no pressure for writing. Okay, slowly you will learn writing. First only identifying pictures and letters. Okay, now see, this is letter. Which letter? Letter D. Which letter is this? This is letter D. Now where is letter D? Search. Where is letter D? This is letter D. Same. No ma'am. This is letter D. Same. No ma'am. This is letter D. Same. Letter D. Same. Yes. Then circle it. Okay. This is letter D. Same. No ma'am. This is letter D. Same. No ma'am. This is letter D. Same. No ma'am. Then where is letter D? This is letter D. Same. No ma'am. This is letter D. Same. Yes. Then circle it. Okay. Now again search, where is letter D? This is letter D? No man, this is letter B. You have to search this letter. Okay? We have to search this D letter. Search, where is D letter? This is letter D? No man, this is P. This is letter D, same. No ma'am, this is R. Like this same letter, search. This is letter D. Same, letter D, same. No ma'am, this is C. Then where is D letter? This is D letter, same. Yes. Then circle it. Okay. This is letter D. See, circle letter D. Okay. This letter D you have to circle. You have to find and circle it. Okay. This is letter. Which letter is this? D. Which letter is this? D. D for dog. D for doll. Okay. Which letter is this? D. 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 Okay. See. D. Okay. See, this one you have to write in your notebook. Okay. Okay, now see here. A, B. Okay, now this is A, this is D. Okay, now next come. Can you identify which letter is this? Which letter is this? A. Which letter is this? A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. What is this? A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. Which letter is this? A. A for aeroplane. A for apple. A for aeroplane. Now which letter is this? B. Which letter is this? B. B for what is this? Bat. B for bat. B for bat. B for bat. Okay. for what is this? Tang 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 car. C for car. C for car. C for car. Okay, see A. Repeat after me. A. B. C. Now what comes after C? D. What comes after C? D. So make a standing line and half curve. See, this is letter D. Okay. So D for duck. D for dull. This is doll. See, identify letters and pictures. Okay. A for aeroplane. B for bat. C for car. Tit tit, tit tit. Okay. D for doll. Okay. So please do revise this all at home. Okay, and try to do in your notebook for practice. Okay, bye bye student. Please take care of yourself and be healthy, and see, you have to drink milk every day. Okay, you have to drink milk every day, and you have to be very strong. Eat green vegetable. Okay, bye bye. Love you.